Welcome guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm taking you with me to Chemist warehouse in Murray Bridge. Guys, let's go. I'm just gonna buy a bottle of hair color to color my hair. So let's go guys. So guys, this is the road that I'm taking, a back road to go to Murray Bridge. And I'm not gonna do much on this road because there's not much to see. We are coming up close to a mushroom farm on the back road. It's in Manato. So guys, we are passing the mushroom farm now. And as you can see, we have a lot of crinola farm on the right hand side going into Murray Bridge. So guys, I am heading inside. Now I'm gonna head over and I'm gonna look at these colognes, and on the other side you have perfumes. So I'm just browsing along guys. I'm not buying any perfume today or cologne. This one is nice, the bottle. I like the bottle. And the rock is nice also. So guys, this one is looking nice. I'll put it back. That's a Calvin Klein. This one I have one of it. It's very nice. The smell is very nice. So let's carry on guys. I'm going up to the section where we can get the hair color. So guys, I think it's the next aisle. Yep, it's the next aisle. We're almost there. Look at all this nice brand. I like to use the simple color top, but today I am going to try the foam one. It's so easy to use. So guys, I'm looking for the one that's named the Perfect Mousse. Here it is. Here it is. It is so easy to use. The one. So I'm looking for a black. That's the brown. So I'll put back this because I don't want this color. This looks like a brown too. Let's hope I have luck on the other side. Yes, this is the correct one. I am so happy that they have my perfect mousse. Woohoo! So guys, I am going around another section where you have a lot of perfume and colognes also on display. So So here you have another one. This is the shock, and around the front we had the rock with the same color, greenish looking writing. So guys, sometimes I always come here and pick up some collagen, because I use collagen a lot, especially for Tony. You know, when you're aging, you have to use collagen. So I normally make smoothies with collagen for Tony. Wow, nice Q-Tex, nail polish, whatever you want to call it. They're pretty. Thank you guys for coming with me today to Chemist Warehouse. Thank you for your support and for all your lovely comments in my previous videos. So here we have the collagen powder. Guys, you must try to incorporate collagen in your diet. It is good, very good. It keeps me pretty young. These are some nice bottles, nice water bottles. These bottles look nice. They have the little metal thing in it that you can make shake, you know. They are nice. Vegan collagen. This is good too. Vanilla flavor. So guys, you must always try and keep your skin looking nice and young. So I urge everyone to try out the collagen. I've made some video on Michie channel with collagen smoothie. You can go over there and check that out. And here you have some protein shake in the pack. So if you don't want to buy the big one, you can buy just a couple of the pack. And that's the collagen I use, this one. It is so nice. Sometimes I add collagen to my porridge, just put it on the top after serving it with fruits. For the people who like the sustagen, I've never had that. You know, I had Jamaican supplegen, which I miss. I would drink one of the supplegen now, but unfortunately there's no supplegen. I don't see any in Australia. So guys, this is what I use, the OptiSlim. Any two for $65. You have other things you can use, but this is just a meal. And this one up here, I've tried this one, Fat Blast. It works good. And the OptiFast is good also. But today I am going to purchase a OptiSlim, and this is the probiotics that you use for your tummy. These are good too, to help with the good bacteria in your tummy, for you to have a healthy gut. So guys, this is what I've purchased today. So now I'm at the cashier. I've purchased a CoQ10. This is good because your body loses it when you are getting older. So I'm always buying and taking. It is good for the heart health. It gives energy. guys, Google it and check it out. So guys, this is the end of the video. I'm walking through the door. I'm going outside. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend, and leave a comment. I check my comments. Have a lovely day, everyone. Bye for now.